A vegan spinach dip. Yet here I am, and no nap. When I tell you, child, I would be thinking that spiders are scaling the walls when it's actually these gift bowls. Oh. Another day of Vlogmas. So I actually woke up with what I think is a sinus headache. So it is later in the afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and cook myself some vegan spinach dip. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off here with the butter, and I'm gonna let that almost melt completely. And then I'm going to start adding in my cashew cream. I'm using cashew cream that I made last night for fettuccine alfredo. For those of you that don't know, I am vegetarian, but I'm transitioning into full veganism. That's been tough because I like cheese. And yeah, that's all. So I'm putting the Goya all-purpose seasoning in there, and it's best to make your cashew cream where it's not that salty, so that way it leaves room for you to add more salt to your liking. I personally try to cut down as much salt as I can, and this lighting is terrible. I am taking a little rest before I start editing on tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas for the next day. I set an alarm for me to take a nap, and yet here I am, and no nap. It's mid-afternoon, so I shall give it a few more minutes and get started. So I'm feeling so much better. No headache. Thank you, God. Now, by the time you guys see this, you will have seen how I decorated my living room a little bit and my couch, because I'm in the Christmas spirit. But here's an update. When I tell you, child, those bowls, those gift bowls you stick on, those things started falling right as I was getting ready to go to bed, and I could hear them throughout the night as I was trying to sleep, and I had to keep reminding myself as I was tired, like, that's another one of them things falling off the wall, ain't it? Let me show you what I did. As they fell from this window, I got tired. And so yesterday, not the same day I decorated this, well, I decided to just place a certain number on one side of the couch, put one in the middle, and then put one here. So now it looks like that. Nothing around the window. I just said, you know what we're not gonna do is be sitting here and trying to sleep, and I can literally hear these gift bowls that have a certain amount of adhesive to them slide down the wall. Like, it makes me feel like there's bugs crawling down the wall. If it had not been for my self-awareness, thank God, I would be thinking that spiders are scaling the walls when it's actually these gift bowls. No, so I said, you know what? Let's do this on each side, and there's one behind me in the middle. leave it at that. Leave it at a nice, simple aesthetic that is still in the Christmas spirit and has that little pizzazz to it. Because what I can't deal with is hearing these gift bowls slide down the wall like it's a creature. No. So I think I'm going to conclude the day by taking care of this hair. It is in twists. If you guys have not seen that just yet, I will include in the top right of how I wash my hair and keep it from tangling. It's the most effective way that I know of washing your hair and keeping it from matting up, tangling up. And it's an easy detangle process. Let's do it. Let's get underneath this head tie and see what we got going. First of all, bruh, I don't even need the sound effect. Like, really? So this has been a form of my protective styling and these many twists in my hair. 4C, in case you're wondering. And I just put a wig cap on, and I've just been wearing wigs, particularly the one I made for my birthday as part of my birthday prep. And I've started putting in twists here and washing it as such as protective style. You see all that new growth? You gotta take care of that. So I'm gonna wash it just like this and show you guys the rest of what I do to prep it again and put it back in a protective style. Since I co-washed this last time, I think I'm going to go in with Ren Pure Originals Argan Oil. The effect overall of how argan oil treats the hair and the effect that it has on the hair. So going with the shampoo, I have long ran out of the conditioner. It was in one of my empties videos, as a matter of fact, earlier this year. And I don't have enough conditioner this time around to do my treatment, so I'm going to go in with this sulfate-free conditioner. In fact, these both are sulfate-free. My scalp is just much too sensitive. All right, transformation time. Give this a few more minutes for this to penetrate my hair. And I already have to shower anyway. So, see you guys when it's time to style it. Thumbs up for the curls. I've not even taken out the twist. So what you guys are seeing is the twist. I think I'm going to make them a bit bigger, but not large and huge. Because I still want them to lie flat underneath whatever protective style I'm wearing, which is currently wigs. It is wig season. Last thing I want to feel on my scalp is an abundance of cold air and making, you know, just shiver me timbers. No. Let these, I've actually had these in since I did my maintenance video a couple weeks ago. And I did not want these to lock up on me and become locks because I like changing my hair. I'm one of those women that I like to switch it up. Ginger on Monday, black cherry on Tuesday, straight and sleek on Wednesday, Moesha braids on Thursday, pixie cut on Friday, sandy brown and wavy body wave on Saturday, slick back ponytail on Sunday. You know, just switch it up like that. This has been the most rewarding way of wearing my hair underneath my wigs and protective style. Just simply because I didn't want to take the time to braid my hair flat where it lies flat all around. And then that just was so much hassle for me to take down. And using this pink lotion is making it a lot easier. And I thought it would be the Wonder Aid oil to make it easier for me. So every big section I have here, medium section, I am sectioning off. Look at that. Look at how healthy that is. Like, the camera doesn't do it justice. I would love to one day take you guys with me and get a silk press just to see what it's like and the maintenance and everything. I know I'll have to wrap it every night or else just deal with the consequences of humidity and then it looking crazy. So this is definitely taking longer than I thought it would. So I have almost all the back done on whatever. And I took this apart. I took this down first. So I only have the front portion and a little bit of this back portion left. I'm hungry. Let's see what we can fix up. Finally, after about another hour or so, and I had to eat. And this is Parmesan pasta salad. We're going to call it a night tonight since it took so long. Until next time and until the next video.